Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and we're going to talk a little bit about using Ace branded Rust Stop spray paint. Now, you've got a couple of choices when it comes to using this product. It's a really terrific coating to use on metal. This particular one right here is both for indoor and outdoor, and you can use it direct to metal, meaning that you don't need a primer. I know for many, a primer is something that you like to use. I'm being one of those people. I like using a primer, and you'll get a little added protection to protect whatever metal surface you're spraying by using a primer first and allowing it to dry. One of the nice things about the Rust Stop product by Ace is that it dries in 30 minutes. So if you're one of those people that loves to use a primer, go ahead and prime it first with this, wait 30 minutes, and then you can top coat with this one here. You use it like a regular spray paint. Shake it up. You want to hear that little ball going for a good 30 to 45 seconds or so to really mix it up. I've already shaken this up a little bit, so we're ready to go. Now, whenever you're doing any kind of spray paint, and I'm going to hold this can here right now, you want to do light coats, not heavy. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray back and forth, back and forth. And by doing so, you see you get really nice coverage and it doesn't drip. A lot of times people put it on too heavy, and then you start to get the drips. If you take your time and go all the way around like that, you'll get professional looking results. And with this product here, it's gonna hold up really well and protect all that metal that you're trying to keep looking great.